So these Mormon cult princesses heard that Eva had a lot of Cassies, a little old lady, Granny. So they went over to her apartment and they pushed their way in. And they're reading verses from the cartoon Bible. And they say that disrespectful prayer. They say, "Our Heavenly Father, please don't let any of the Mormon cult pervert missionaries get caught a raping or a stealing. In Jesus' name we disrespectfully pray." And Eva, she hits that horn underneath her couch. And they leave their claw marks up in the ceiling and excuse themselves and leave. They'll write her off their cult sales route.